Hey guys, I'm super excited today because we are checking out the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the reason why I'm super excited is because I'm finally switching over after 4 years from iPhone to Android. So I'm super excited. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump straight to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing. Alright guys, so this is what you will get when you pre-order the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or the S10. So basically you will get the Samsung Galaxy Buds for free, that is in the US, and for Singapore you get the Samsung Galaxy Buds as well as this wireless charger dual pad. So if you pre-order it, you will get these two for free. I'll do the unboxing of these two products in another video, so you can check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below once the video is uploaded. Alright, so ignoring these two, let's jump to the main event of today, which is definitely the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's take a look at the back for a second. So these are just the specs for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I won't bore you with the specs, so this is the specs. Right now let's jump to the unboxing. Alright guys, so let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'll just do a quick cut. So I'm super excited for the S10 Plus because this is one of the very first times, or the first time I'm unboxing an Android product on my channel. And of course this is definitely the first Android device I'm switching to from my iPhone. Currently I'm using my iPhone. It is a great device, but I want to try something new. I want to go to the Android world, so I decided why not, let's buy the S10 Plus and let's try out the brand new Android experience. So the new experience, the Android experience on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is One UI. So TouchWiz is no longer here on Samsung devices. It's currently One UI. So once we boot up this device, we'll be able to see the One UI. So here we go. We still have to take off the tab right here, and we should be able to get it out. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, alright, so the phone is here, as you can see, in all its beauty. Okay, I'll do a quick unboxing, so we don't want to waste too much time. So this is the, oh my god, wow, it is super thin, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the reflection of me. On the back you can see Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, again the triple camera setup. I hope you can see it, and of course my reflection and the phone case. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the dual front facing camera. Leave that aside first, and then we have this. This is the wonders of your S10, wonders of the Galaxy. Alright, so one fun fact about the accessories is that if you buy the black phone, you'll get black accessories, and if you buy the white phone, you'll get white accessories. So in my case, I bought the Prism Black Samsung Galaxy S10, so I'll be getting black accessories. So this is the charger brick right here. So it enables fast charging, unlike other devices which do not include the fast charger in a box. Then you get this, the connector, the USB-C connector to USB-A, and then we also get cable. So this cable is your charger cable. So USB-C cable right here, and finally, of course, your AKG headphones. So you might be thinking, why do Samsung still include AKG headphones? That is because it still includes a headphone jack, which is absolutely amazing in 2019. Alright guys, so right now we are going to tear off the plastic of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and power this baby on. Alright guys, I forgot to mention there is still one more thing in the package that I totally missed. So there's the eject tool right here for your SIM card, as well, very kind by Samsung, a free clear case. How awesome is that? Wow, thank you Samsung, thank you very much. A free clear case, very well appreciated. And that is everything inside the box, and of course a quick start guide. Alright, now let's take a look at the phone. Alright, so let's boot on this device, and as you can see, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So before that, to prevent any more fingerprints on the back of the phone, I'm going to install the free case that Samsung has kindly provided for us, which is very nice of Samsung. Alright, look at that, beautiful. Okay, so we are done. Let's just go through this very quickly. Alright, once I'm done with setting up, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I want to show this quickly. This is the first time I'm setting up the fingerprint scanner on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So it is a in-display fingerprint scanner. So I'm going to input my password first. Okay, we are done. Wow. So this is the first time I'm actually using a in-display fingerprint scanner. So I've not used it on any of the OnePlus phones, the Huawei devices. So this is actually my very first time using it. And I must say, it feels very different from your normal Touch ID fingerprint scanner. It's quite fast, to be honest. Okay, once I'm done, I'll be back. Alright guys, we should be done. Wow, look at the display, boys. Alright, so you can hardly see the dual camera on the top of the screen. So I'm gonna, yeah. So this looks beautiful, to be honest. It looks absolutely amazing. So that's it for my unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So this will be the first video I'll be uploading on YouTube, followed by the Samsung Galaxy Buds as well as the wireless charger duo. Then I will do a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Buds and the AirPods, and finally I'll give you guys a full list of the features of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So definitely stay tuned for these videos. Sorry that I have not been posting lately, but I have school, so do understand that. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely do leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.